On this episode of Special Report, is autonomous AI delivery platform drones or robots coming to your market soon and they're going to take our jobs and be delivering the food? I'll tell you what I know.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Dash and Dave here again. Please click that subscribe button and hit that like button. Thank you very much. So we're looking at a screenshot here. This came from the Doordash newsroom a couple days ago. I just kind of blew it off and then I thought, let's address it just for the hell of it. Doordash and Wing announced pilot program to make drone delivery available via Doordash app in Australia. Okay, we're not going to go through the whole article here, but take a look at the picture of that drone. It has 12 helicopter props and what appears to be 4 turbine props, if you will, for forward movement. So will something like this ever come to America and take our jobs away where drones and robots are delivering food for Doordash and we're out of the picture? I'll tell you what I know. 2 reasons. They share the top spot with each other. The American people are too fucking stupid and thievery is rampant in our country. And those two overlap a great many of the times. This will never work in the United States on any large scale. I'm sitting here at Panera Bread. This drone that we're looking at, to have 1 or 2 of these in operation here at Panera Bread, they'd probably have to rope off a third of their parking lot. I have no idea how large these things are. It says this one here carries a massive 2 pounds. Well, that strikes out just about every Mexican restaurant food delivery I've done. Mexican food weighs a lot, so does Asian food, you know, all that rice and everything. So 2 pounds is what it's delivering. I mean, that's ridiculous. But anyway, yeah, here in America, you know, I've seen, you know, Amazon has looked into this. The food delivery is looking into it. You know, it'll hover over your house at about 100-foot level, then drop a line down, let the bag go, and then, you know, because they can't come down and land, because I guarantee you, one of your little 5-year-olds are going to get loose from you and run right into those props and widen their smile just a little bit. Then you got idiots shooting, oh, there's a drone flying over my property, and get out his double-gauge shotgun and blow that sumbitch out of the air. Heavy metropolitan areas like New York, never. They'd send out 10 drones, and one would come back looking like Memphis Belle coming in on fire and everything else. It's not gonna work in the United States. Why are they doing this, Amazon and Doordash? Because they're spending gobs of money that they don't then have to pay tax on for guys to play with toys. And I get that. That's a lot of fun. But it's never going to be here. But it's never going to be here on any wide scale. There was an article a couple weeks ago, I don't know who it was, their little robot that was doing delivery, that was about the size of a footrest ottoman on wheels, rolled through a crime scene, didn't care about the caution tape and the cops, you know, taking pictures and everything. His route was through that zone, that sidewalk, by God, nothing was getting in his way. So he befouled a crime scene, that little robot did. So yeah, autonomous delivery, if it ever arrives, you and I will both be dust in a coffin for a long time before it hits any kind of scale. That's my take on it. Too much thievery, too much stupidity. Here in the United States, it'd never work. All right, guys and gals, that's all I've got for you today. Hopefully you can take something from this video and put it to use for yourself. Thanks for coming along for the ride and hope to see you next time.